Hello and welcome on the Tales Fox News. Here we are for this edition of Tuesday, March the 14th. It is 8 p.m. and here are the headlines. Indiana Jones has been seen in Rennes. According to the latest news, he was looking for sacred relics in the city. Sad news this weekend with the divorce of Cinderella and the Prince Charming and Faithful. Scandal today. Mario the plumber is joining a detoxification center. He is hoping, I quote, to reduce his consumption of mushrooms, maybe even to stop it. At the end of the edition, our guest here on the set of Tales Fox News will be the Sith Lord Darth Vader, perpetrator of a new bombing on Disneyland, the first since Disney brought Star Wars. Hero Cries of Mickey Mouse, the immediate cessation of the project about the Star Wars 7 opus and the restitution of his galactic empire. Jane, hello, you are currently at Doc's new address. How do you perceive this new environment in which he is evolving?
Hello, Kate! Today I'm seeing Doc in a brand new light, just the opposite of what we may have known of him during the days he was living among the Seven Dwarfs. As you may guess, seeing the decorations, the ostentatious and flashy style is master of this room. So we may ask, but who is truly becomes this Doc that every children loved? So hello, Doc. What has been for you the click which pushed you to leave your former group, the Seven Dwarfs?
Well, that's a question that bothered me for a long time. Collocations with 6 people as it limits. Especially with such households. I couldn't bear it anymore.
Well, why qualifying them with such violence? You live with them since so many years, weren't they just as a family for you?
Family? That's easy to say. People ignore the truth of our situation. They only knew the good side of the story. There was a shitty atmosphere in the cottage. Between grumpy, sulking and hollering all the time at everybody and for any reason. Sleepy, never doing a bloody thing. Sneezy, always sick. Happy, bashful. And this moron of dopey. He never missed an opportunity. See, a few days before my departure at the mine, we had extracted 200 pounds of pure gold. 200 pounds! And that asshole managed to lose a trolley on the way back home. I wasn't able to hold it up anymore. Impossible.
Easy to understand. Talking about that point, would you say that your choice to leave the Seven Dwarfs was motivated by your condition works in the mine?
That was not the job of my dream, surely. I'm a bloody artist, an intellectual. All my mind potential wasted during so many years. But no, I've changed of job. I'm an artist. Today, art is the best way to express my creativity, my exacerbate creativity.
So after the mine, the art, through which support do you express your creativity?
My stuff is painting, canvas and good gouache. It's cheap and it makes miracles. But hey, between us, I also do it for models, little chicks posing for me. There is one, right, Tatiana?
Hey, I'm not Tatiana.
We don't care, get out.
Talking about your painting, you are exhibiting for the first time in 2 weeks at the Bananas Club, a trendy swinger club in the neighborhood. If you are allowed to, you may have a few operas that you could show us in exclusivity?
Of course, with pleasure. Look, here first. My greatest opera. I called it Dwarf's Delight. See? A marvel, isn't it? I have another work on which one I'm working currently. More personal work. Yeah. I called it The Revenge.
A very innovative art indeed, worthy of the avant-garde, but where do you find all your inspiration? Anyway, you seem to be blooming in this new existence of art and solitude, but don't you feel any nostalgia from the old days of the Seven Dwarfs?
Well, no. Maybe except one thing. Snow White, of course. I was just like all the others. I would have loved to have it off with her. Bitch.
Yes, we do remember that Miss Snow White was your first model, despite her wishes, should it be said?
Yes, but that was another time. No, I got much more better, don't I?
Well, Doc, thank you for this touching and sincere intervention. As you could have seen in this report, we found a brand new Doc, transformed and happy in his new artistic life, very far from the cottage that had seen him growing. So, we are discovering a new side of the numerous talents of this unusual man. You may discover or rediscover him this Saturday, March the 22, at the Bananas Club on the occasion of the preview of his first exposition, which is also his first attempt as a dwarf artist. That was Jane for Tail Fox News. Back to you in the studio.
And cut!
Finally done.
Terrible.
Yes, it was terrible.
You want a beer?
Oh, thank you, yes.
Something to smoke, maybe.
Oh, why not?
I got something from the witch. Terrible.
Peter! Cut, Peter! Well, thank you, Jane, for this diving report, surely. We will hear about Doc several times in the days to come. Moving on to our next headline. Will Indiana Jones find what he's looking for? We will...
I'm going to find Doc. You can't leave the 7 dwarfs like that.